Hey there for Dragonfly and me friends. Welcome to another episode of Jean in the Garden. And I am about to utilize some of my old plastic water jugs that I had actually used in the spring to transplant my tomato seeds into. I actually did a video on self-watering, how to create self-watering planters utilizing your old water bottles. And that was a video I did in a blog I did over at my blog at www.fordragonfliesandme.com. But if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Jean Roman and you're at For Dragonflies and Me, my YouTube channel. You may be watching this over at my blog. But either way, thanks for joining me. And if you would smash that likes button, smash the subscribe button, trying to build my following here at YouTube so other people can see the content that I put out there. So I hope you find value in this. And if you are living in a cold climate or even someplace that gets kind of chilly in the winter, these are really super easy to utilize and creating little mini greenhouses. And I have already punctured holes in these, so that will work. If you didn't, you can simply take the lid off or loosen it to allow some of the heat to escape if you get hot days. Otherwise, you really don't need to worry about it. I've already done a little bit of it. You may be able to see in the, oh, no, you can, I didn't, but I also have some baby lettuces, some Lola Rosa that I put out. I am having something eat my bok choys here, and I think it is little, oh my gosh, not squirrels. I'm totally having a brain freeze, friends. So sorry. Chipmunks. Oh my gosh, I am infested with them, and they have really dug burrows in my raised beds. I don't even know how to. So I'm going to have to use some means to get rid of them, including some mothballs and maybe a few other means. But today, again, short tutorial on how to utilize your water bottles as little greenhouses. So what I've done is I've taken, you can either take the round style with the handles or the square style without the handle and simply cut them in half. And so you can use the bottom and the top. I do recommend poking some holes in them, so allowing some air to get in and out. But after that, we did leave leaves in the raised beds to act as a mulch over the winter, and then they will also break down as compost in the spring. Oops, dug one out. I don't want that. So I'm actually going to put my garden gloves on and get this little guy planted again right over here. So that actually might be a good spot for him. So what I've done is I'm going to take this lid and I'm going to kind of mark the lines around it. And then I'm going to use this, my spade, and kind of dig a little trench around it so that I can more easily maneuver that into there. And then I'm going to take the trowel and bury it a little bit. And over here, I actually have, oh, there's an onion. She's ready for spring. I'm going to rake these leaves away. But I also have a couple more beautiful lettuces right there that I also want to protect. And as long as they can grow, I can harvest even just baby lettuces. I did just do a social media post. I showed you the garden right now, the winter garden. So sad. I hate this time of year, friends. I really do. But it is what it is, and here I am. So these are some nice bok choys. I am actually going to take some of the smaller ones and cover those. And then I'm actually going to harvest some of the larger leaves. So there I went, and I am digging a little trench around, and also allows me to, those burrs that will just grow anywhere in any climate. So there I go, and I'm just going to kind of build the soil up around there. I mean, I got one more, and I'm going to utilize it right here. So again, friends, this is a super easy way to utilize old water jugs if you have them, and to make little greenhouses in your garden and be able to eat year round. So once the snow really flies, obviously this is going to hinder me from getting out here, but it will actually help, you know, me get a little bit longer of a harvest. So anyways, friends, just wanted to share that with you real quick. Again, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to visit me on my blog at www.fordragonfliesandme.com. Links in the bio. See you later, friends.